Hello, friends. My name is Atul Kapoor, and I'm a chartered accountant by education and an insurance claims loss adjuster by profession. My experience of about 4 decades in this profession has taught me that the more time you spend here in insurance sector, the more you realize how little you know. With an alarming rise in insurance disputes and the growing burden on judiciary, our courts are just not able to deliver timely and cost-effective solutions for resolving insurance disputes. The future surely points towards the inevitable growth of avenues of alternate dispute resolution, including arbitration. It is in this context that I would like to introduce to you the Insurance Arbitration Certificate Course, 5th batch, jointly offered by the ASEAN Institute of Insurance and Risk Management, as well as the ASEAN Center for Dispute Resolution. I, myself, am a beneficiary of the 3rd batch of this amazing course, so I can vouch for the value addition that it can bring to each of your professional lives. Arbitration in insurance is a highly specialized area of practice requiring a large pool of professional insurance arbitrators, which this course will help to produce. The Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Act of 2019 has attempted to institutionalize the process of arbitration by providing arbitral institutions. This means that an arbitrator needs to be empaneled with an arbitral institution. AIIRM is a representative body of the insurance industry for the last 2 decades and comprises the best brains from insurance, judiciary, academics, health, legal, and other related fields. The ASEAN Center for Dispute Resolution is a unit of the ASEAN Arbitration Foundation, a Section 8 company, and is an institutional arbitrator, providing both online as well as offline facilities for alternate dispute resolution. Participants of the course will be eligible to be empaneled with ACDR and will be offered all opportunities as envisaged as an arbitral institution as per the Arbitration and Conciliation Act. Now, is this course really for you? Well, let's help decide that. Whether you are a professional from India or abroad, whether you're working or retired, whether you're working in any professional field, if it is even remotely touching insurance, where insurance is coming as part of your life, well, then this course is surely for you. You will be able to integrate your domain knowledge with the knowledge of insurance as well as arbitration. And as we've seen before, arbitration seems to be the way of the future for resolving disputes. So you could be a general or a health insurer. You could be into health insurance. You could be a surveyor and loss adjuster like me, or an advocate or a chartered accountant like me. You could be an insurance broker, third-party administrator, a consultant in insurance, a maritime professional or a medical practitioner or a banker, or a professional from a private or public sector entity, or a retirement government official, or even a retired judge. If you're any of these or somewhere connected with these, this course is surely for you. The advantages of this course is that this is one of the only courses that I know of which combines the insurance knowledge with the arbitration knowledge. So this is a unique course in that sense, and it offers world-class facilities. World-class faculty is coming to you with crisp articulation and understanding of the subjects. I myself, when I was part of the 3rd batch, was very pleasantly surprised when we entered into that batch and we suddenly realized that we are not only exposing ourselves to local faculty, but we are getting experts from America, Canada, neighboring countries like Sri Lanka, from Russia. So it was such a bouquet of professional knowledge that it became very interesting. And the best part is it's interactive. It's not just a one-way communication from the faculty to you. You're almost feeling as if you're meeting them. You can pick on their brain on a real-time basis with whatever questions you may have. And even after the course is finished, you have access to them at the click of a button or at a call. So, I mean, it's such a vast knowledge of data bank that you get that it is immensely useful in your professional life all throughout your life. The other advantage is that it gives you only 1.5 or 2 hours a day, and that also at convenient times in the evening when you can choose your classes. And there are no classes on Sundays and holidays, so you also have time for your family. The course provides knowledge not only in technical aspects, but also in legal aspects of insurance, related laws. It's frankly a binding between the laws related to insurance and arbitration and practical skills for resolving disputes through arbitration, conciliation, and mediation. The course is very interactive. It's very interesting. You've got quizzes, you've got group discussions, you've got group assignments, you've got mock arbitrations. So I did enter into this course thinking that maybe being online, it would tend to make me fall asleep at times, especially in the evening, but nothing like that. A few classes into the course, and I realized that this course is going to keep me awake, not only in those timings of the class, but also throughout my professional career. It will awaken my senses to new aspects, to new areas of insurance, which I had perhaps not really thought of. Because when you're talking about disputes, you're talking about seeing insurance from different angles, from the angles of the insured, from the angle of law, from the angle of related other provisions. The other advantage of this course is that it's got a very reasonable fee, and there's also a provision for on account for partial payments. And this gives you a 360-degree view on insurance, arbitration, and conciliation. So friends, please do consider this course seriously. And we look at the fee schedule, you'll find it not to be very expensive. You'll find it to be very competitive. And the entire course fee after online timely payment discount is only 34,000 odd. And even if you want to pay in installments, you have this facility. So they've made it a very, very convenient course to join. The timelines for admission and inquiry, well, the admissions are on, but they're not going to stay on forever. They end at the end of this month. So we only have a few weeks or days to apply. So I would request and suggest, if you take my advice, please log on immediately to aiirm.org/admissions and register yourself, because the online course is proposed to start on the 4th of September. And we would like you to have full advantage of that. And if you have any questions, you see some numbers and names on the screen. Please feel free to contact any of these persons, especially on a 24/7 basis. I have found Mr. Masood Wahab to be especially sort of interactively responsible for answering all the queries that you may have regarding the admission or regarding the course. Please feel free to contact him, to contact Mr. Malikarjun, Ms. Vandana, or Mr. Muhammad Taib on the numbers or email IDs given on your screen. And please do consider joining this course, because it's going to be of immense value to you in your entire lifetime. And it's a one-time investment of a little time and small amount of money, but it's going to be worth it, you rest assured. Hope to see you in the 5th batch, and all the best to all of you who've tuned in. Thank you very much.